Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love check-in for you for the second half of July. So Aquarius, you do know these are general collective readings, right? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. Oh my God. This card wanted to pop out for some reason, which is the Ace of Cups in reverse. I think I'm just going to put it aside and see how it resonates with your reading. So these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all Aquarians out there. So take what works for you, okay? Just leave the rest. Let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, we're good to go now. Thank you all my subscribers. You've been very kind, and your love that you share with me has kept this channel going. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're new here, please join our Omkara family, subscribe to the channel. We meet here at least once a week for all zodiac signs. So we welcome you. And let's begin your reading now. And to all the newbies out there, let me explain. I'm setting out two sets of cards, one for you, one for your person. And then we have your mutual energies here. Even though I'll be calling both sides as person A and person B, you decide which side you resonate best with, okay? Eight of Cups, somebody is walking away. You know, Aquarius, to be honest, I've tried doing this reading twice over, and the one thing in common was the Two of Cups. So this is definitely pertaining to some very loving connection, which maybe you had in the past, or the love is still there, yet there is something happening here where one person seems to be walking away, and this Ace of Cups, which represents the highest form of love, is also in reverse. Oops, I'm already worried. Okay, let's open the cards and see. Page of Swords in reverse. Somebody playing mischief here. Temperance in reverse, Nine of Cups, Tower, Ten of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Person 2. Two of Cups in reverse. See, I told you, I kept seeing the Two of Cups time and time again. Each time I would shuffle, I would see this card. And it's in reverse. Six of Wands, the Magician, King of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Sorry Aquarius, there is something major going on here, something major. And if you're in a loving connection or you have no problem, I would recommend you switch off right away. Okay? This is something which is already happening. So if you are in a good relationship, please do not watch this reading. This is for people who are feeling this energy already. There is something majorly going wrong here in this partnership, marriage, long-term potential relationship or something. So let's start this reading. Person 1 is here. So person A, Page of Swords in reverse. So they feel something has happened which has led to a lot of mischief in their life. Something has gone wrong in their life. There's been no balance, and they've spent a lot of time stressing about it, and now they are coming to a point where they want to release all this stress and tension of whatever's happened to them or with them. They want to get over all this heartbreak, of all this heart pain. Somebody stabbed them in the heart, I think, because there was no passion here in this relationship left, and things were totally off balance. They are trying to desperately find a way out, to come out of this position. The Nine of Cups is in reverse as well, right? So they are not feeling emotionally satisfied anymore in this relationship. Nine of Cups, Spirit. Why is the Nine of Cups here for person A? Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse for person A? This is a chapter which they want to shut out of their life, it seems. They're still hanging in there. Because they have the Tower on their side as well, which is still falling. Now this relationship is still in process. Now we have to see whether this can be made right or not. But person A is really wanting to find some solution to get over whatever's happening in their life at the moment. Yeah, they are trying to protect themselves as best as they can. They're trying to, ward off any naysayers or anything that can hurt them maybe. They're trying to find balance in their own life and avoid this tower from falling completely. Let's take a card though. Spirit, this tower in reverse. Something to do with this King of Pentacles. Something to do with their finances maybe. They do have the Ten of Cups here in the upright here. So this could have been pertaining a very, very happy long-term relationship. Maybe this is a marriage, maybe this could be a long-term relationship, this could be something in the family dynamic, because I do have the Ten of Cups here and we had the Nine of Cups in reverse here. So even though this was happy maybe in the past, or this person is trying to find some happiness, I don't think they are at the moment. They're being able to find a solution and they are going back and forth, I think, to thinking whether this is worth fighting for. Whether this, the Ten of Cups place where they are in, which is now turning sour, whether this is worth fighting for anymore, and they're thinking, is it better that I just become single now? Right? The Nine of Pentacles. This is the card of the single happy person who can provide for themselves and essentially a single person. This person is thinking of maybe, thinking of a fresh start for themselves, like a new beginning for themselves. They are finding solutions though. Finding solutions. Yeah. I have the Page of Swords again, which is like the spying card. Maybe somebody is spying on them. They feel somebody is keeping a watch on them at all times. Or maybe they are keeping a watch on the other person. And this is not keep making them very happy at the moment. They feel nothing is stable. Nothing is stable. There is no balance in this relationship. There's no equal give and take. And I think they're at a place where now they want to make a choice in love. To what to do. Yeah, see, I have the Nine of Pentacles again. Second time over. Again, the card of the happy single person. They're making a choice, whoever this is, Aquarius. If you're the feminine watching this is definitely the feminine who's trying to, get rid of all their heartbreak, pain and whatever, and thinking of a fresh beginning for themselves as a single happy person who can provide for themselves and be happy, because this King of Pentacles has not proven to be the most stable character in their life. Okay, so let's have the second person here, person B, which looks like the masculine to me. They have the Two of Cups in reverse, right? They have realized that the love somewhere is on its way out. There is a lack of love in this partnership. Yeah, they feel... Yeah, even though maybe in the past there was a lot of love here, they also have the Ten of Cups, just as this person had. Person A also had this card, the Ten of Cups. Maybe there was a lot of love and emotional satisfaction in the past, but they are now feeling very stuck in this relationship also. They're feeling very stuck, and they are trying to feel enlightened to know what should I do now, because the love has kind of diminished from this relationship, and maybe they feel that the feminine has now become very, very harsh towards them and very strict towards them, or she's not that loving and kind as she was in the past. And even though they actually wanted to be victorious in this relationship, or maybe right now their pride and ego is coming in the middle of finding happiness in this relationship as well. Yes, the King of Wands with the Magician in reverse. This is a trickster, right? They are using their senses to feel how can they maybe beat this other person. How can they... they want to beat person A. They want to play some kind of power game or mind game with person A where they are victorious and they can make the other person feel smaller. Now they have the Six of Wands here with them, which is a very dangerous combination, right? This person is egoistic, they are very prideful, and they will stop at nothing to win. They are planning and strategizing as to how they can be one up on person A here. They are definitely being the trickster, and the King of Swords in reverse. Oh my God, who are you dealing with here? Feminine, who are you dealing? This masculine is harsh, bitter, is rude, and manipulative, big time. They are giving you very, very little, very little. It's a lot of stagnancy in this relationship, and whatever they're giving you is really small. So Spirit, a card for the Magician in reverse. Card for the Magician in reverse. Oops, too many cards. Spirit, a card for the Magician in reverse. Yeah, they are juggling right now. They're juggling, they're strategizing, they're going back and forth in their mind as to how they can be one up, I think, because the Magician in reverse is a trickster card. And then the Five of Swords as well, which is again a manipulator, emotional manipulator. They are strategizing at the moment, going back and forth. And King of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. They are quite sad actually. They are looking back at everything that has been lost. They're quite regretful. But their pride and ego is not letting them show person A that they are actually feeling bad about this. Heart of Hearts, maybe they are feeling bad, but on the outward, they are coming across as very, very vindictive and, not the kindest. Ten of Swords, Spirit. Yeah, this person, excuse me. Sorry, Aquarius, I had to take a break to have a sip of water. So this person here, Aquarius, is very regretful right now, okay? They are feeling, oh my God, there's a mini crisis which has happened in my life with the Ten of Swords in reverse, right? They're feeling what has happened to my life? They're feeling as if everything is just falling apart. There's no balance left in this relationship. There is no equal give and take here. Things are totally out of balance. But the point here is the masculine energy. They are only worried about themselves, it seems. They're worried about how things have fallen apart for them, but outwardly they're not doing anything to improve it. In fact, they're coming across as the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords, the King of Swords in reverse, all these are characters, who, are harsh in their words. They're mean, they're rude, and they are not in the most loving space. No wonder this Ace of Cups is in reverse. So there is no love being shown here. Instead, they are worried about their image or their what has happened to their life with this problem that has occurred in both your lives. So let's take a card. Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, again, ego and pride. Okay, they want to be victorious and they want to win at all costs. They don't like the fact that maybe, they may have to give person A some pentacles. That could also be on their mind. They don't want to share any of maybe their abundance, and their pride and ego and whatever is just not allowing them to be having a straight talk with person A, and they just want to win at all costs. Let's see your mutual energy here, Aquarius. The Lovers, both of you are going to make a choice on love. Let's take a card first. Spirit. Oh, Aquarius, there is hope here. There seems to be hope here. Both your mutual energy, you both want this back, right? You don't want to lose this. You don't want to lose this because this is your stable, happy place. Both of you, heart of hearts, want a rebirth here. You are coming to a place where you realize that things can be made better. Both of you are now feeling left out in the cold because of all this problem which has occurred, Aquarius. or this fight or whatever is happening, you're both realizing that it's making neither of you happy. It's making neither of you happy. Both of you are feeling left out in the cold, abandoned. It's not just you, feminine, it's the masculine as well. Too many cards. One card, Spirit, for the Five of Pentacles. Feeling rejected, feeling abandoned, both of you. Wanting to start again. Yes, wanting forward movement again. That is a strange twist to the tale. Oh my God, I was worried. The Star, wishes come true. All right. Star Spirit. End to conflict, ending conflict. So whatever is happening here, Aquarius, don't go overboard thinking you're going to leave this person and be single or whatever, and this person is going back and forth and maybe retaliating because you are wanting to leave. That's the only thing. They are as stressed out as you, and I think this fight is going to come to an end. Yeah. This tower is falling, right? It hasn't fallen yet. So don't give up hope. Don't give up hope. One more card, Spirit, for the... Yeah, I think both of you are going to drop this fight now. You're going to give up on this fight. This is momentary. It's not going to last forever. I think you both are going to realize that you are each other's happy space. Let's take Aquarius on this happy note. Let's take a card from the masculine. How does the masculine here feel towards the feminine? How does the masculine feel towards the feminine? One more card, please. Too many cards. Let's take them. They want to bring a transformation. They're feeling very, very weak right now, and they have a lot of regrets. They want to come out of this stressful place of whatever has happened in the past. The masculine is, yeah, they are also heartbroken. Okay, the masculine is also heartbroken as the way things are going, and they are desperately wanting to find some resolution and give up their ego and pride maybe and bring a transformation to this equation so that they are also relieved of all this stress and tension. So feminine, how are you feeling? How are you feeling towards... Okay. How is the feminine feeling towards the masculine now? All right, one more. Even though the feminine was looking to maybe leave, maybe, or turn her back and look for new things to come into her life, I think she keeps getting pulled back to go back to her past. Right? She's too wrapped up with this relationship. Heart of hearts, she also wants to drop this burden that has been going on between the two of you. If there's been no talking, I think feminine, you are going to now start having conversations again with your masculine and reveal whatever has bothered you, all the secrets that maybe you've held in your heart. So let's see, any advice, Spirit, for Aquarius here? Any advice? Any advice for Aquarius? Any advice for Aquarius, Spirit? Any advice cards? Yes, thank you. One more, Spirit. Any advice for Spirit? For Aquarius, Spirit? Oh. These two cards came out sideways. I'm going to put them back and take one more. Spirit, one more card, please, for advice for Aquarius. Aquarius, I think if you're the feminine here, I think it's now time to make a decision, okay? Make a decision. If you're the feminine here, Aquarius, I think you have to stop being in this very bitter and angry mode. Okay, it's time to show some affection. It's time to be a little kinder, because you, heart of hearts, do love this masculine, right? This is your stable, happy place. Maybe you've been in a bad mood till now, and that's what's created all this rift till now. Make a decision now to rectify all this. And if you're the masculine, your feminine is hurt right now. She's very angry, she's very bitter. So you have to now step up to the plate, right? You have to step up and be that kind, nurturing, good person who can bring some balance back into your relationship. It's a choice. It's, you have free will right now, but from what the cards have told me, there is a lot of love here. You both want to be together. So there is nothing wrong in a relationship except ego, pride, and fear. Nothing else. Let's take one card of blessing from my angels for Aquarius. Healing. Yes, healing will come back to this relationship. Things are being healed. Things are going to get back to normal, absolutely. Whatever has happened, leave it in the past, because there is a lot of potential and you both will heal and come back together. So that's all I have for you right now, Aquarius. Please work on this. This has a lot of potential. Don't give up on this relationship that quickly. So take care, love and light. See you next week.